Welcome. Today's tutorial is about using the Filmora mobile app to quickly and easily turn images into videos. AI image-to-video transforms images into animated videos with motion and effects. Begin by opening the Filmora app on your mobile device. The interface offers AI tools like text-to-video, image-to-video, AI captions, and more for easy editing. Now click Image to Video. Here, you'll find various options like AI Kiss, AI Hug, Random Kiss, Indian Dance, Bear Coming, and more. Before choosing an option, I decided to upload a picture first. I chose a picture and proceeded to import it. Next, I described what I wanted the picture to do. For example, I typed drink water, then clicked Generate below, and waited for it to load completely to 100%. And there you have it. What a fantastic feature! So from here, you can save or edit it more. But let's go back to use more features. So I chose AI Hug and went up to click in Other to upload a picture. Now I selected a single picture of two people. After that, I clicked Import below. Afterward, I clicked Generate and waited for it. So there you have it. So I went back to try AI Kiss with a picture of two individuals and generate as well. And there you have it. What an amazing feature to use. Also, after generating, you can decide to edit your video by adding text, filters, transitions, and many more. So thank you for watching and have a wonderful new year in advance.